Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a nutrition tracker with Cronometer, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a nutrition tracker with Cronometer, begin by visiting the Cronometer website. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up to create one. You can sign up using your email address or through your Google or Apple account. Once you have signed in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. To start tracking your nutrition, click on Add Food in the main menu. You'll find a search bar where you can enter the food you want to track. Choose the desired food item from the search results. Adjust the serving size according to what you consumed. Once you've entered your food, click Add to include it in your diary. To log a meal, navigate back to the dashboard and select the meal type, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Repeat the process for each food item in your meal. To view your nutrient breakdown, click on the Nutrients tab. Here, you can see how well you're meeting your daily nutritional goals. If you want to track specific nutrients, customize your settings by clicking on Profile. In this section, you can set your dietary. To access community features, click on Community in the menu. Here, you can connect with others for support and share tips. Cronometer also offers mobile apps for tracking on the go. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in with your account details to sync your data. Explore the app to log meals easily and view your progress. Lastly, use Cronometer's resources to learn more about nutrition and meal planning. Now you're ready to effectively track your nutrition with Cronometer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.